if you're experiencing issues with your Card 2026 showing a card not working message. Follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check card activation. Ensure that your card is activated. Sometimes cards need to be activated before use. Visit the website or app associated with your card to confirm its activation status. Step 2. Inspect the card. Examine your card for any visible damage, such as scratches or bends. If the card appears damaged, it may need to be replaced. Contact customer support for assistance. Step 3. Verify account balance. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shark.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update payment information. Make sure that your payment information is up to date. If your card is linked to a bank account or payment method, verify that the information is correct and that there are no issues with your bank. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, reach out to customer support for further assistance. They can provide specific troubleshooting steps or help you with card replacement if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the card not working issue with your Card 2026. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer service.